Settle now in the softened light. Nothing moves too fast or loud. Even birds skim lower clouds. Everything becomes a room for this strange familiar moon. Mirror moon afternoon, wrapped in quiet tender bloom, light that bends the day into, draws me